So do you want to learn how to make this kind of editing?
So follow me, let me show you how I edited the appearing and disappearing video. So right now we're going to head on to our InShots, and now this is our InShots. You click on your InShots, and then you see where you have your video, your photo, and your collage. Now just click on the video, right? And now it's going to take me to my video folder, and then we'll click on the particular video that I want to edit, right? And this is the video I'm editing. And now I'll just click on the video, and then it will appear on my InShot, right? It's already imported now. I'll also show you how you can remove this InShot if you don't want to allow it to appear on your videos. All right, so now this is the video. So I'm just going to scroll the video close to where I came in, right? So this is it. You give a little space, and then you scroll this part, and then you click on the video. You click on this split that's up here. You click on split, and then you can see we have split the video. Now I'm going to remove this part because it is not needed in this particular video, so I will just click on delete and delete the video. Now this is what we have where I was running into the scene. Right now you see you have to set your camera, though my camera was not well set because I didn't have anybody to help me monitor it, and the space I had was quite small. So you scroll the video close to where you put your hands on the wall, as you can see in this very particular part, and then you click on the video, and then you click on split, right? So after that, you walk away from the scene, allow an empty space. Make sure you have an empty space on your screen, right, on that particular video. And now, as you can see, I'm going to split again and delete this part because it is actually not needed. So I would click on delete, and now I've deleted that particular area because it's not needed. Now you have to scroll the video again close to where you came back. Like this is where I came back, where I walked into the scene. So now we are going to scroll it down to where I came in and put my hands before I acted I have appeared. So now this is it. The moment I came in, I'll just click on that place, click on my video, click on split again, and now this is what we have, right? So we will allow this empty space in the video so we can use it for our transitioning. And now I'm going to click on the video again. I'm going to split this part where I walked in because we don't need this part in the video. So this is it. I just deleted that part. So this is what we have. Let's play it first and see what we've got already. Okay. So this is me. I walked in, and now you see I've disappeared, right? And this space is for the transitioning, and now I've appeared back. So what I'll do in this particular part, because this transition part is actually a little bit longer, so I'm going to reduce it a little because of time. All right, so now I just splitted that part and I've deleted it. So now what I'm going to do now, you see this white edit button here, it's written transition. So we are just going to come here and click on it, right? When you click on it, you see this particular option here under the basic. You click on this one, this particular transition. So you click on it and you okay it. You can click on this other one, apply to all, right, and you okay it. So as you can see, I scrolled it to this part first. Like there needs to be a gap. You always take note of what I'm doing so that you can use the exact things and do it the right way. So I scrolled it back a little, as you can see, before I applied this particular transition here. So now let's play it and see how this transitioning I just added looks. You can see it's making it look real. So we are not done. You are going to see how original this video is going to look, how real and authentic this video is going to look when we are done. So now you are just going to come back again and scroll to this end and repeat the same process like we did just now. We are going to pick up this one and use it again and apply it here. So let's play this video and see how it looks. You can see it looks real, right? And now I ran away. So now we're going to stop it on this part where when I ran away from the scene, and we're going to hold on the video. We're going to split it and delete the remaining part because we don't need that part in this particular video. So this is the video that we need. Though we are not done with the editing, let's play it and see what we have now. Okay, and I reappeared. All right, so now after running, so what we are going to do now to complete this process, we're going to go back to this same spot to add other effects to make this video look very real. So just in case you don't want to add effects, you can actually leave the video like this. It's actually looking real, though we are here to add the sound. So I'm going to be showing you how I added my sound. So you can see now it's looking a little bit real, but now we can also add effects, all right, to make it more real. We're going to click on effects. Then after clicking on effects, we're going to click on AI effect. But before then, you make sure you adjust your video to where you want to add the effects. Now we're going to click on the AI effects. After clicking on AI effects, we're going to scroll, like you have a lot of them here. So we're going to click on this one, the flare. So this is the flare effect. And now under the flare effects, you see a lot of effects here. We are just going to click on this one, shapes, right? So as you can see, I just click on the shapes effect. So you can use any color of your choice. Like you can see, it can give you any color that you want, right? Any color that you actually want is what it can give to you, right? So this is it. Okay, I think we'll have to use the white on this particular tutorial. Let me use the white for this particular tutorial. Okay, so this is it. This is what we have, right? So now let's play it and see how this looks. You can see this is how it looks. So what I want to do is I don't want the intensity that we are currently having, so I will have to reduce it, and so that it can reduce the intensity of what we have. So let's go back and play it. So you can see now what we are just going to do is to click on this particular effect, and then we're going to scroll up here, and then we'll see duplicate. Now you just click on duplicate, and it's going to make it 2. It's going to duplicate it, and now you just adjust it to this other part while this part has space. So now let's play it and see how it looks before we click on the okay. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just going to click on OK, and the last thing that is remaining for us to do is to add our sound. I'm just going to adjust the video close to this same place where the transition is. Yeah, and then we're just going to click on audio. And after clicking on audio, you have music, effects, record, and ASP. So we're just going to click on effects, all right? So after clicking on effects, you see a whole lot of effects here, right? So we're going to click on transition. So after clicking on transition, we have lots of transition in here. So for that first part, I'm going to be using this first transition, which is transition 01. So you click on this transition, and then you see you just play it. Did you hear it? So now we can just click on this plus button, that is to add it, and then we add it to the video. So let's hear how this sounds. Can you see, guys? Can you see how real that sounds? So now we are going to use another sound or another transition effect for this other part that to make it look real and different. So now I'm just going to click on the effect again, and then we are going to click look for transitioning, right? And this is the transition, and now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to pick transition 4 for this other part, and this is it. So I'm just going to add it on that part. Now what I want to do is to increase the volume. Just click on volume and then increase it a little so that it can actually make, as in give us that kind of, you know, that effect of somebody has disappeared or appeared. So let's do that and click on OK. And now we're also going to increase this one to 150 as well. And now this is it. So let's play our video and see how this sounds. So guys, actually, so when you are done editing, all you just need to do is to click on this export button here. When you click on this export, it exports your video. So guys, I forgot to include this beginning effect. So what you do, we just have to go now and click on audio, right? So this is our audio. When you click on audio, you see effects. You click on effects. So after clicking on effects, it will take you to this place. You see imported, because I already imported sound, right? Now this is forest ambience. So you just click on use, alright? So when you click on use, it's going to take it to a video. Now what you just need to do is to adjust it so it sits perfectly on that line. Then you scroll down a little and trim out the part that is not needed in this video. So I will just click this part and trim it off the video. So now I just trim that part off, and this is what I need for the beginning part. So guys, we'll be playing this video now to see what we're able to edit. But before that, let me quickly tell you how to remove this InShot. Just in case you are not using the paid version, you can just click on it and you'll see an option that will say add free remove. So you can click on that to remove it for free. And when you're done, you can just click on this export button over here. All right, so now guys, let's play this video and see how this video sounds. Wow, so guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to share this video for other people to see it and benefit from it. For now, peace out.